How to bet on 365. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn on how you can bet on Bet365, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to basically bet on the Bet365 app or the website, first of all, open up your browser and go to bet365.com, and depending upon the region it will automatically redirect you to your respective sites. After you do that, you want to make sure that you're signed into your account by just tapping the login option from the top right hand side of the screen. Now, as and when you do that, you'll find the current challenges that are currently happening, so you can select a certain challenges that you might want to bet on, and here you'll see any sort of game, multi-game or game three-way, whatever else it is. Then after you select that, you want to make sure to log in, and then after that you'll be able to place your bet by paying a certain amount of fee. And that's all it takes to bet on Bet365. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.